So I got a question the other day, and the question was, hey, how do I make my synthetic wig last? Because I'm trying to get this beauty on a budget kind of thing going. All right, I'm here for it, no problem. But I want you to always walk towards a synthetic wig when you purchasing it with the right expectations. That's what I'm gonna say. Never purchase a wig thinking that she's meant to last you for a long duration of time, because she's not. Listen, a synthetic wig is a temporary wig. I call them disposable hairdos, because that's basically what they are. They're only supposed to last you 3 to 6 months. So if you are squeezing 8 to 12 months out of a synthetic wig, girl, give yourself a high five, because you have worked the system. Because they're not supposed to last that long, because it's plastic hair, and so it heats up. It's very heat sensitive, so even your body heat can cause a wig to kind of shrivel up. So how do you keep one longer? This is how you keep one longer. One, you get more than one. Think about it. If you have a hairstyle and you love this synthetic wig, but the life of this wig, the shelf life of this wig is really 3 months, okay? But if you get 3 of the same wigs, guess what you can do, ladies? You switch them out. They're like a great pair of shoes, right? So the more you wear those same pair of shoes, child, you're gonna look like you've been walking for miles and miles and miles and miles. Same thing with wigs. If you wear that same wig every single day, it's gonna look shriveled up and frizzy every single day. It's just the wear and tear of taking it off, putting it on, taking it off, putting it on. Your hands being hot, your body being hot, you're sweating. If you love a style and you found it in synthetic, make the investment, buy 3 of them. People say, well, I can just buy 2. Depending on the love that you have for that wig and the commitment you have towards the wig, that's how many wigs you should buy in it. I say 3 wigs will get you out a whole year. That's my personal experience. If you get 3 wigs, that'll, increase the long life of the wig, because you're wearing, you wear one, take it off, wear one, take it off. Okay, another great tip of keeping a synthetic wig a little bit longer is this stuff right here. It is called Protect and Shine Laminate. It is a silicone-based spray that I use, been in the beauty industry for over 30 years as a licensed cosmetologist, dealing with human hair, hair extensions, and now wigs. I find that this product works amazing on both human and synthetic. Rather it's growing out of your scalp, or rather you have human hair, extension, and even synthetic wigs. Because what this does on a synthetic wig, it acts almost like a fake cuticle. So it coats the hair, so when sweat or when your heat temperature heats up, it kind of protects the fiber from getting hot, if that makes sense to you. And also it keeps the frizz down, and it keeps the hair looking natural. It keeps the frizz down, but it acts like a fake cuticle, meaning the cuticle is the coating on your hair that actually keeps the moisture in. So that's what that does for your synthetic wig. Last thing, I'm going to teach you how now to keep a long synthetic wig, because that's the other secret that people don't tell you. It's not that all synthetic wigs are not created equal. What that means is a short wig you might can keep, don't tell nobody I said this, but you might can keep a synthetic wig for about 8 months. You know why? Because it's short. It's not rubbing up against your shoulders. It's not rubbing up the back of your neck. And so when a wig is not being heated up, a synthetic wig is not being heated up, it can last longer. The longer the wig is, the shorter time you can keep it. Now, when it's really long, because some ladies, I ain't gonna lie, some of y'all are rocking the heck out these long synthetic wigs. I mean, y'all listen, it's a wig created for every person out there. And I'm telling you, some of you ladies look amazing in long synthetic wigs. I just can't do it, because I don't need nothing on the back of my head knotting up. I have come too far for a knotted up wig. Can't do it, sisters, can't do it. But listen, if you still want to wear those long wigs, let me tell you what to do. You're gonna flip the wig over. You're gonna take human hair extension. Yes, that's it. Take an old piece of track from a bundle that maybe when you used to wear some hair extensions, take it, put it on the back of the wig and sew it on. You know what you just did? You're now protecting your wig fibers, and that human hair that you just sewed on the bottom acts as a buffer, so it's not going to heat up, because the human hair is actually going to protect the synthetic wig from the rubbing of your shoulders or the back of your coats or your clothes or your shirts. So I hope that these tips has helped you to know how to keep those little temporary girls in your inventory just a little bit longer. Again, this is Hay Johnson from Le'Host Hair and Wigs.